SAHASRA Building Solutions Private Limited is a manufacturer of turnkey basis pre-engineered metal building structures, manufacturing units, godowns and conventional halls. We have abundant infrastructural facilities to handle a large volume of production obligations. With 45,500 square feet of fully equipped, covered and ample service area, and with a team of dedicated professionals, we deliver your building project on time, quality, quantity within your budget. We started in 2005 with the name RS Engineering Solutions and changed the name in 2012. Our head office is situated in Hyderabad, Telangana. We established to redefine the country's construction industry through superior technology and competent engineering. We are leading the company to enhance its presence in the realm of pre-engineered building system to the complete contentment of existing and future clients. Our mission is to accomplish countrywide presence with international standards. SAHASRA Building Solution provides sustained technical and engineering support. Use state-of-the-art technology and quality of raw materials to build multi-storied metal buildings. With outstanding infrastructural facilities and advanced production capability, we provide cost-effective solutions. Factories, warehouses, workshops, aircraft hangars, marriage halls, sports halls, supermarkets, gas stations, commercial showrooms, car sheds, poultry hatcheries, schools, colleges, conventions halls, and many more. SAHASRA implements your requirement with effective designs. With our dedicated professionals, we have successfully completed more than 1,000 various projects across India and abroad. Here is a look at some of our projects we have executed. One of the prestigious projects executed within 10 weeks in Hyderabad. More than 1.5 lakh square feet. We have executed this project to PepsiCo Limited, located at Bhutan with a 40,000 square feet area. This project we have executed to VLN Cold Storages, located at Hyderabad, nearly 70,000 square feet area. Completed just in 28 days. Completed for Chandana Corporation, located at Vijayawada in 20,000 square feet area with advanced designs. The milestone project executed to Chamundeshwari Seeds, located at Hyderabad, 43,000 square feet area. Work completed and handover to client just in 6 weeks. We have completed this project for Vijay Industries, located at Kodangal, nearly 25,000 square feet of work completed and handover to the client just in 6 weeks with quality. SAHASRA works for customer satisfaction. That's the reason we have a long list of happy customers. Low maintenance requirement, fire resistant, optimized designs to ensure load balance, effortless modification, weather resistant, as per American standards, eco-friendly, quick delivery and fastest construction. Everything is possible for SAHASRA. For more information, visit www.sahasrabuildings.com or call us 98487 54444.